What is metal casting? What are furnace? What are molds? And what are ladles? To know more, be with this video till the end. I am with Dishkathar. Now let's load the intro. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Metal casting is defined as a process in which a molten metal is poured into the mold for obtaining desired shape as that of mold cavity after solidification. There are various instruments used for metal casting. Let's have a look on them one by one. The first one is furnace. Solid metal in the form of scrap is charged into the furnace, and due to the virtue of its heat, it gets melted. There are three types of furnaces used in metal casting. The first one is cupola furnace. The second is induction furnace. And the third is open hearth furnace. The footage shows open hearth furnace wherein the operator is constantly stirring the metal for its uniform heating. The ladles are used for pouring purpose. These are used for transferring the molten metal from the furnace to the mold cavity. The upper part of the mold is called as a cope, whereas the lower part is drag.